The first thing we're going to do is explain the difference between the two styles of markers that we have. The first is what we call our valve action marker, and you can see the examples right here. The way these work are they have a little valve inside the tip here, and you depress and that actually gets the paint to come out. That ensures that the paint will stay wet and usable until you actually need it in the tip. Now, we have two different tip styles. We also call nibs in the industry. So from here on out, I'll probably refer to them as nibs. We have a felt nib and a plastic fiber nib. And the difference between the two, this one's a little softer, so it'll write very nicely on smooth surfaces, but does get torn up on some rougher surfaces. This one will hold up better under rougher conditions, and so you get a little bit more use and not have to replace the nib as much if you're writing on some little rougher steel or rougher metal. Now the way these work is you just take the marker, shake them up a little bit, and you're going to depress the tip until the paint comes out. The very first time you do this, it takes about 10 to 15 seconds, but after that, just like this one, you do it for a few seconds and you're off and running. And this way, even when the tip does dry out, if it's left overnight, you can just do that again, reprime the paint, and you're off and running and not having to replace the marker. Okay, the second version that we have is what we call our steel ball roller tip. The difference in this marker is, as you can see, it's a little bit of a bigger barrel, and it has a pump action on the backside to actually pressurize the barrel. Whereas these are gravity fed, this one is pressurized, so you can write in rougher surfaces, you can write upside down, underwater, any way you want. The way this works, you pressurize the barrel, and then as you can see, you have a little steel ball tip here, and as you write, you're going to press down on the ball. You can see it leaves a nice thick line of paint, and that way, and this is a very durable paint that will hold up under just about any condition. And these two are exactly the same, they're just in two different barrel styles. So this one's a much bigger, if you're working outdoors, is where you'd want to use this one.